Hi everyone, in this short video I'm going to show you how I get my line sketch onto velour pastel paper. I sketch onto normal drawing paper, often in pencil. The reason for not sketching directly onto the velour is because you cannot rub out and you'll end up scratching the surface and ruining it, so it's better to transfer. Also, I used a black pastel on its side to cover the back of the drawing, but make sure that you rub it all in, otherwise it'll leave a terrible mess on your velour paper. I tape this now to the velour board, and if you want to see how I've prepared that, you can see that in another video. I'll even tape it at the bottom, as sometimes when you lean on it, it can slide out of place. Then I take a pencil and I begin to go over all my lines. Now my sketch is pretty accurate by this stage. I've cleaned it up with an eraser so I have a good clear outline. At this point I like to check if the lines are coming through okay, so I just lift the paper, you can see the faint line that I'm going to get, and then I'll be able to strengthen that up afterwards. So the big reveal shows you my faint outline, and now I'll take a black pastel pencil and go over all of this. As I do that, my attention is always on the photo reference, and I'm still making fine adjustments and just making sure that my line and proportions are all nice before I start to pastel. Most of my tutorials are based on pastel techniques, but I would also like to make a tutorial to show you how to sketch out your subject, as that's so important. I'll show you a few different ways, from freehand drawing to using the grid method. Remember to check out my other YouTube videos for more tips like this and some pastel tutorials. But I've now got a Patreon channel where subscribers will get hour-long tutorials with real-time footage, live demos, free photo reference and line art, and lots more. But please do like and subscribe while you're here on YouTube as well, as it all goes towards helping me make more of these videos. Thanks for checking out my video, I hope it was helpful. For a laugh, I'm going to share some travel footage in my outros, so enjoy today's instalment of Harry McCleary, and I'll see you next time.